freehand. So it's gonna be in sectioning. So that's how we're gonna get it. It's such that now you can even put your vertical, your the center line. Do you see that they're in the same line? The 6 and the 0, they're in the same line. So that's how you get the shape of the hole. So now remember, the question was like, also express the left view. So before we section, so let's express. Remember, even the top view we did not section it. So now let's express the left view. So to draw the left view, how are we gonna draw it? Right hand bottom corner of your front view, we are going to have a line that will be at an angle of 45 degrees. Note this set square. But this one, so here I am going to have a line that is at an angle of 45 degrees. There you go. At an angle of 45 degrees. At an angle of 45 degrees. After we have drawn these lines, we are going to take all the points that are behaving horizontal. Once they touch this line, they're gonna go vertically up. All of them. So let's start with point 3, which is this one. Point 3, point 3, point 2 in line with 4, point 1 in line with 5, point 0 in line with 6, which is the center, 11, 7, 10, 8, 9 on its own, like this. Right, so once they touch this line of yours at an angle of 45 degrees, they're gonna go vertically up. But check this. Once they touch this bottom part of this bottom line, so which bottom line of your front view, which means extend it as well, just a little bit, this side. Once they touch here, stop, because they will be going to your apex point. So this one, which is this one, it should be your, remember this one is XX, this one is going to be your YY. This one is going to be your YY. Remember, how did you get it? So it's going to be your YY, even though it's not gonna give you anything yet on this one. So point 3, this is the line 3, which is this one. So that goes, I stop here because once it gets here, it will go to my apex point. So this is 2 and 4, stop there. 1 and 5, stop there. 0 and 6, which is the center. So this one I can even take it up because it would be vertically going up. So these ones, they go, they go. So after I've took them like that, so now the bottom part of our left view, without fear or favor, we know what to erase this one because they're supposed to end there. So the bottom part of our left view, we know what, without fear or favor, from here till there supposed to be dark. Supposed to be dark. So there you go. Right, so now let's project the apex point now towards our left hand side. Towards our left hand side. So which means your apex point there by your left view, it will be there. So we'll be taking these points to your apex point. Take them. So there they go. Apex point. So there they go, apex point. You understand? So there they go. Apex point. So even this side. There you go. There you go. Like this we go. Right, so now we are going to take this point 6 horizontally, and the 6 will have to intersect with what? With the 6 of this side. Remember, this was the bottom part, isn't it? So which means even the number upper parts of them, they have to be projected as well. Like this, once they touch here, they go. You understand? So that the 6 of the side will intersect with the 6 of the side, the 5 of the side intersect with the 5 of the side, there by your left view. So the 6, let's start with the 6, which is already there. So this one goes horizontally straight like that, isn't it? Like that. Whereas this one, once it touches the line of 45, goes. So which means I've got a point right there, which is point 6. So 6 there by our front view is in the same line with what? With 7, isn't it? So I hope you can see 6, 5 in line with 7. So take it horizontal as well. So there it goes. So now 5 in my top view is this one. So it goes like this. So it goes, once it gets there, take it up. So you must take them one by one so that you don't be confused. Once it gets there, you take it to your apex point, isn't it? Take it to your apex point. There it is. So this is what? This is 5. So which means it's giving me a point there. 5. Okay, one. It's giving me a point right there, which I can give it a name as 5. So now to get this 5, we took it like this. That goes from there, isn't it? So what is here? It was intersecting with this one right from there, from your. So where they intersect, they give me a 0.5. Then from there, we are going to approach 0.4, which is this one. Take it horizontally. There you go. Once it touch the line of 45, go. Once it touch the bottom part of your left view, goes to your apex point. There it is. So 5, 4, which is in line with 8. So which is this one. There by my front view, which is this one, isn't it? There you go. So it's giving me 4. There you go. There you go. It's giving me a point right there. Which is 0.4. So 0.3, which is the center. So I'm gonna draw it as a center. So that's how you have to draw it, so that you know what you've got 3 lines before the center, 3 lines after the center. So the 3 come back to your top view. The 3, which is which one? Which is this one. So you project it. It's supposed to go and meet with what? With this one. So 3 there by my top view. Take it horizontally. There it goes. Once it touch there, gonna go vertically, stop somewhere there. So there you go. Once you get here, you take it to your apex point, isn't it? Take it to your apex point, which is the center. So there it is. It's giving me a point right there. You understand? So now the point 3, after 3 there will be point what? Point 2, right from your right from your what? From your front view, which is this one. Taking it horizontal, straight. There it is. This is the line 2. So now come back to your what? To your top view, which is this one. There it is, point 2. Once it get here, I'm going to take it to, which is this one. Once it get here, take it straight to my apex point. Now my apex point, so there you go. It seems to be in the same lines, but there it should be that one, point 2. So point 2. After point 2, I will be looking for point what? Point 3, which is this one. No, point not 3, but point 1, which is this one. Point 1. Take it. There it is. Once it get here, take it up. I'm gonna take it up, which is this one. Once it get here, take it to apex point. So you come to your front view, point 1, in line with 11, which is this one. So there you go. So point 1 is this one. From there, this one, which means I've got a point there. Point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You understand? So the last there by your front is point 0, which is this one. So 0, there it goes. From your top view, this is your 0, which is your center. There it goes. From here, it goes to what? To your apex point, which means we've got a point there. You understand? We've got a point there. So now going this side, it will be 11 in line with 1, which means I've got it here. And then 10 in line with what? With 2, which means I've got a point where, let me project it even here, which means it's not correct, this one. This is, let's get it straight, like the way as we let's follow the protocol. So this is point 0, isn't it? Okay, point 11. Point 11 is this one. We have to project it. And once it gets here, we take it. Once it gets here, you take it up. So yeah, they won't be the same. From here, so this one we incorrect. actually. Then from there goes to what, to your apex point. So it's gonna give me this one, inline 11 inline with 1, isn't it? So there it goes. So which means I've got a point where there it is inline with 1, which is this one, 11. So point 10, come back to what, to your top view, which is this point 10. There you go. Once it touch here, take it up. Once it gets there, take it to your apex point. Once it gets here, to your apex point. So point 10 in line with what, with point 2. There it is, which means I've got a what, a point right there. Point right there. Then point 10.9, which is this one. Point 9, which is this one. Right. 9, there you go. Once it gets here, gonna go vertically up. So there you go. Once it gets here, this is 9, 1, 2, 1, 2, which is this one. Once it gets there, take it up to your apex point 9 in line with what, with 3, which is there it is, which is the center line. There it is. There it is, right there. So now we are going to look at point what now, point 8, which is this one. There by your top, take it horizontally. So there you go. Once you touch the line of your 45, you go vertically up. Once you touch the bottom part of your left view, direct it to your apex point, which is this one. There it is. So this is point 8 in line with 4. There it is, isn't it? In line with 4. Remember the inline with 4 I'm talking about, right from your what, from your front view. So 4, which is this one, then 7, back to your top view. 7, which is this one, take it as well. It's a process. There you go. Once you touch here, you take it vertically up. So there you go. Once you touch the bottom part of your left view, take it to your apex point, which is point 7. 7 in line with what, with 5. So there it goes. 7 in line with 5. So the 5, which is 6, 5, is the second line. There it is. This line. So there it is. 7 and back to 6. So that's how we gotten these points. So now we are going to what? We are going to join them. Join them freehand or using a flex curve. There you go. There you go. So that's how we've gotten our shape of the hole. So now we have to section this section now. This section Which my battery is running low, very low. Let's section faster. So we are going to have hatches here, there by your top view here. So remember, when we section, we section using 45 degrees, and your hatches, they must be at an equal spaced, whether anti-clockwise or clockwise is one and the same thing, as long as they are equally spaced at an angle of 45 degrees. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. So even the true shape of the hole is supposed to be in sectioning at an angle of 45 as well. True shape of the hole. Then from there, now let's see, even your left view is supposed to be in sectioning. Then section your left view, this is what is going to be in sectioning. Remember, the hatches, they must be the angle or the direction of your hatches, it's supposed to be the same. Supposed to be the same, equally spaced as well. Then from there, so what is left is this